Today is August the 23rd, 2023, and I'm doing a little update on my giant pumpkin plant. So this is an Atlantic giant pumpkin plant. I've got two. This is all just one plant here. The thing's massive. So there's one plant, and then here's the second one here. This one's not as big. This one has, I'm leaving all the pumpkins on this one, and that one I pruned down to just growing two pumpkins really big. So this one has about 4 pumpkins growing on it. This is one of them, probably about 20 pounder right there. This guy's a little bigger here. This guy's probably about 50 pounds and growing. And I've been trimming off the flowers on both of the plants, not as much on this one, and especially on the secondary vines you can see coming out from the main vine running north-south there. These are all the secondary vines that are branching out from the main vine, and they put roots down into the ground, and then through the roots they pull up more nutrients to feed to the main vine to feed the pumpkins. But on the secondary vines there'll be these things called tertiary vines. You can see one right there that I cut off, and you should cut them off because they suck up extra energy from the plant that wouldn't go to the pumpkin, and it's a good idea to cut them off. They really serve no purpose. Here's one. Yep, throw it away. So yeah, in there, that's the main vine. Some of my leaves are kind of wilting, I don't know why. Coming down to here, and then this is my main pumpkin. She's a big girl. Probably about 80 pounds, 90 pounds so far. Got a bag under it so that it's not sitting on the wet dirt of my garden. But by the time it's done growing, I hope for it to be around 1,000 pounds. She's just shy of 100, so. There's the main vine in there, going up. And at this stage in the game, you don't really need these flowers on either. But like, look at how wide this thing is. It's probably 20, 25 feet wide. Peppers are doing well. So yeah, that pumpkin's doing really good on the north side, and then the one I kept on the south, it is oh, there's a little one trying to grow. Don't need him. The one on the south here, it's not as good. There's some holes and stuff in it. Some defects that kind of started when the pumpkin was growing. There's the main vine though, you can see. But yeah, overall, first year doing this, it's pretty fun experience growing these giant pumpkins. Excited to see what that one's gonna look like at full maturity. So again, yeah, these are the Atlantic giants, and it's pretty easy to find seed if you've got space to grow it. Give it a shot. It's a lot of fun.